My name's Jason Piper. I'm from Port Talbot, and that's in South Wales in the United Kingdom. I've been playing since I was a little kid. I'm quite old now, so I reckon 35, 36 years I've been playing. I play with a good few bands here on the South Wales scene. I do fill in sort of depth work, and I also do studio session work with cover bands and original music. My band at the moment is called ZF3. It's a three-piece band, 3 singers. I myself sing, I'm a singing drummer, and we play all over the South Wales and up in England and anywhere else that'll have us really. A good few musician friends put me onto Collision. They praised up the gear no end, so I thought I'd better give it a go. And I've got to say, the sticks that I use are amazing. The weight on them is perfect. They're tough, they're durable, and especially as a singing drummer, I don't need to concentrate on anything apart from what I'm doing in that moment in time. Whereas with gear that's unbalanced, with gear that you're just not sure about, you can struggle a bit. So I need sticks that will absolutely nail it for me, and Collision do it every time. The quality of them, the build of them is brilliant. I play the 5A wood tip. They're just brilliant sticks. They play great on my acoustic kits. They play great on the electric kit. They're just amazing. The video I'm going to introduce is a cover by my band, the ZF3, from a recent show we did. It's an old Beastie Boys classic called Fight for Your Right to Party. Enjoy. Kick it! It's a free